Hello, this is Brian again. Well, I'm right near the Ball Flat service road. Right near Ball Flat Road. How I could tell, there's a radio facility over there. Power line. And there's a Forest Service truck over there. Get the impression that they're thinning out the woodland here, because over that way, about a half mile that way, there were some people working. It's amazing what a little route finding will do. I guess I could say I'm pretty good at navigating. Not really anywhere near the high point of Ball Flat. The high point will be over that way somewhere. But I'm right by the paved portion of the service road. It gets paved up until you get to the radio facility over there. Then it becomes dirt again. I'll tell you one thing though, after not having hiked in a while, definitely felt this one. Nothing extraordinarily steep. Just you want to also not do this during the sunniest part of the day. I'm just going to go over that way. Really close to the top. It's more gradual over that way. Not gonna lie, it's definitely tired me out today. Yeah, there's a little trail. It's like a little use trail on that side. I'm gonna go head towards that. Tired of scrambling up steepness. These are the kind of hikes that were missing in my life. Cross country, off trail type hikes I was way down there in the canyon. Feels like this last bit's kind of the bit that's making me tired. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here it is. Ball Flat Road. Big Pines Highway. The high point, over back that way. Before I go there, I'll go find a seat under a nice shady tree. So, Big Pines Highway, Ball Flat Road. So we're just northeast of Jackson Lake. Feels good to be on level ground. That was longer than I thought it would be. Even distance-wise. Came from down that canyon. Guessing it's part of Cedar Canyon. Here's a facility. Alright. So see if I can find a nice suitable place to sit. Just keep the rehydration process going. And then there's the dirt road. It continues. So we're about 6,150 feet or so above sea level now. The elevation gain on the way to that canyon should have probably been about roughly 150 feet. Probably a little bit more because I did go up and down. And I mean nothing severe, just especially on the last stretch coming up here. I ended up crossing little rivulets. So this is the point where I gotta find me a spot. Just kick back for a while. I'm tired actually. Really tired. Like I said, I need to get myself back into shape, but just had a lot going on. Well, I'm gonna shut down the video for now, and I'll see you on my next clip. I'm gonna try to find the high point. Roughly about 100 100 feet more elevation gain from here. Not too bad. So I'll see you on the next clip.